Happy Monday, everybody. I am going to give you a real quick lesson on the triangle inequality theorem. I tried to choose some easier lessons this week. I know by the title, you're probably thinking, Miss Manning, that doesn't sound extremely easy. It's a mouthful. But as you go through today, you're going to realize real quickly that as long as you can add, you can use the triangle inequality theorem. And so let's take a look at exactly what that is. I'm going to give you the front side as far as notes, or at least part of the front side as notes, and then you will complete the worksheet as far as your homework goes. Okay, so to form a triangle, the sum, and you guys know that the word sum means that you're going to add of the lengths of the shorter sides of a triangle must be greater than the longest side. So basically what you're doing is you're going to be adding up the two shorter sides, and if they are longer or greater than the longest side, then those numbers could form a triangle. For example, if you take a look at this very first one, you're going to choose, okay, what are my shorter sides? Well, I've got 6 and I've got 8, so we're going to plug that in. When I add 6 and 8, it has to be greater than my longest side, which is 10. Well, when I add 6 plus 8, I get 14, and is 14 greater than 10? Yes, it is. And so yes, a triangle could be formed with these dimensions, okay? And then if you look at your non-example, we're going to take our two shorter sides, 4 and 5. We are going to add those up, and we're going to hope that it's greater than 10, but you can see, 1 by the picture and 2 by the math, that 9 is less than 10. So this does not work, and this would be no, a triangle cannot be made. So sometimes they will give you a picture, like our examples, and sometimes they do not give you a picture. So let's take a look at a couple of the examples down below. The key is you have to choose which two sides are the shortest. A lot of people get tricked up because they just go left to right and choose whichever points they want to, but you have to choose the smaller ones. As you can see on number 1, they start with 8. Well, that's actually the larger one. So we're going to choose the two smaller sides, 2 and 7. We're going to add those up, and we're hoping, question mark, that it is going to be greater than 8. Well, when I add 2 plus 7, I get 9, and I can see that 9 is greater than 8, so this would be a yes, it is a triangle. And so you can see that you're kind of testing this theory as you go through to prove, could a triangle be formed based on the sides? We're going to do one more example, and so I come over here, I'm finding my shorter sides, 27 and 15. We're going to add those together. We're going to hope that it is greater than 43 in order to make it a triangle. But when I add 27 plus 15, I get 42. And so is 42 greater than 43? No, it is not. So no, this could not form a triangle. And that is basically your triangle inequality theorem. Again, I told you it wasn't going to be extremely difficult. You are going to complete the rest of the front side and the back side for your homework, and this will be due on Thursday. So I'm going to kind of go ahead and let you guys know that all of the homework that you guys had last week and this week, I would like you to have everything turned in by Thursday so that we can make sure that I can get your grades done and I can see who's missing work, etc. Feel free to replay this video as much as you need. I will talk to you tomorrow.